At Probuild Contracts, we're proud to stand among Central Scotland's top roofing and construction companies. With over 20 years of experience, our skilled team tackles projects of all sizes. Whether it's commercial, industrial or domestic, we handle everything from minor repairs to building entirely new structures. Probuild is your one-stop solution for quality craftsmanship. Every journey starts with Lee, our Business Director, and Tony, our Customer Liaison Manager. From your first contact to project completion, Lee and Tony ensure seamless communication and answer all your questions along the way. And our commitment doesn't end there. With Probuild's comprehensive aftercare service, your satisfaction is our priority long after the work is done. Visit us at www.probuildcontractslimited.com or call 0131 235 1048. Probuild Contracts, building trust, one project at a time.